Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. What is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain. Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
That is nice.
Is this your first time in London?
Yes, it is my first time.
Do you like London?
Yes, I like it very much.
The city is beautiful, right?
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Do you like the weather today?
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I do not like rain.
Is the street busy today?
Yes, there are many people.
Do you like big cities?
Yes, I like big cities.
Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town.
Do you like small towns?
Yes, they are quiet.
Do you like the red bus?
Yes, it looks amazing.
Do you want to ride the bus?
Yes, I want to try it.
Have you seen the clock tower?
Yes, it is very big.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel once a year.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea too.
Do you want some tea now?
Yes, that sounds good.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Do you like sandwiches?
Yes, I like sandwiches.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, pizza is my favorite.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
No, but I try.
Do you like restaurants?
Yes, I love restaurants.
Do you like English food?
Yes, it is tasty.
Do you like fish and chips?
Yes, it is very good.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love sweets.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, very much.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, especially vanilla.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you play music?
No, I just listen.
Do you like pop music?
Yes, I like pop.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch movies often.
Do you like comedy movies?
Yes, they are funny.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, they are exciting.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you read books?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you read English books?
Yes, easy English books.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study daily.
Is English easy for you?
It is a little difficult.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you speak English at work?
No, only at school.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study business.
Do you like your studies?
Yes, I like them.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like it.
Are you shy?
A little bit.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Do you play football?
No, I watch football.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I like tennis.
Do you run in the park?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, I love cycling.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, dogs are cute.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they are lovely.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 7 a.m.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, mornings are fresh.
Do you like nights?
Yes, nights are calm.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you buy clothes often?
Not very often.
Do you like this street?
Yes, it is nice.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it is green.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, love photos.
Do you take photos on trips?
Yes, many photos.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, every day.
Do you like social media?
Yes, it is fun.
Do you call your family often?
Yes, every week.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I love holidays.
Do you like summer?
Yes, summer is great.
Do you like winter?
Yes, winter is cozy.
Do you like spring?
Yes, flowers are beautiful.
Do you like autumn?
Yes, the colors are nice.
Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I love languages.
Do you speak another language?
Yes, Spanish.
Do you want to learn more languages?
Yes, maybe French.
Do you like meeting travelers?
Yes, it is interesting.
Do you like city tours?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you like museums?
Yes, very much.
Do you like art?
Yes, I love art.
Do you like history?
Yes, history is interesting.
Do you like photos of London?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you like this day?
Yes, it is perfect.
Do you feel happy today?
Yes, I feel happy.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you want to walk more?
Yes, let's walk.
Do you want to sit in a cafe?
Yes, good idea.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I want coffee.